Yes!
Oh. You got the other decoy?
No.
Where's the Jake at? That's a big one.
That's a dog.
Call that one a dog. Alright guys. It's May 9th, Mother's Day. Probably shouldn't be out here. Yeah, May 9th. But we're out here because last night after we all worked up the food plot and everything, we went out. When we left, there was 2 toms with 2 hens, and they were right next to where we're at. So we figured we'd come out here right away in the morning. Probably gonna sit real late, but it should be a good morning. Birds are going nuts. Turkeys aren't crazy, but like just wildlife in general. We saw probably 100 deer on the way here. It was nuts. So I'm just gonna shut up when you listen to it. So, stay tuned. Jeez, like she has like legit fawns here. They're following her around and everything. Just blast one. Oh, you can be huge. See what you got like that? Yeah, it's probably the same one you saw the other day. He's already pushing those around. Yeah, that's the one from the other night. Oh, he sees the deer in the woods. He's not even looking at us. He sees what? He's sketched out now. He doesn't like that he's running. Holy crap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you imagine if they're all 11. Okay. I don't know if the GoPro's picking up any audio. If it is, awesome. But we've got 2 coming over here. And we've got coming over here, 1 over there, 1 straight in front. We've got about 4 to 6 turkeys gobbling. And it's hard to tell which direction they're coming from. But we know for a fact that there's 2 for sure coming in. Well, they could obviously turn off, but they're coming in closer. I'll try to call and see if we can get them to call back. It's hard to tell. Maybe that's what we're gonna get to see. That was 1 though. That was just 1. So I think that's that one. Okay. We're gonna give it a second, give it a break, because we don't want to overcall. I think what they're doing is they're gonna take that main trail up to us. And they're gonna pop out just where they pop out. The thing that would suck is if they don't see the decoys. Little update, we're gonna try to circle them because they're getting a little bit further away. So we're gonna take the tom and get across, and we're gonna keep the rope and then set up. So we'll keep you guys updated. last Saturday, so it's been about a week now. No rain, so it's not really coming in, but there's a lot of seed on the ground, so the turkeys should be filtering through here, trying to pick up all that seed. Anthony came here a day or two ago and saw a few out here picking up the seeds, like I said. But nothing's been too crazy wanting to come in.
We're not baiting.
No, we're not baiting at all. I didn't think about that. We're not baiting. Yeah.
The seed is kind of.
The seed is under, but it's like, we're not baiting. That's like, no.
They're coming into our corn.
Let's restart. But no, the turkeys are kind of coming in. Not to us, really, except, okay, I don't even know what to say.
We're gonna try and kill it. We're gonna try and kill a turkey. We probably won't. Stay tuned. You probably won't see any of this footage.
Sure. Makes big. Gobble one time. Looks like it. The GoPro going. Don't move. Don't move. He's looking right in there. Don't move. Oh, I can get him. What? I know. Get ready. Put on the camera. Don't move. Are you recording? Yeah. Move it. Wait, hold on. Don't shoot yet. Ready? Yep. Grab. Shoot. Chase the camera.
Yes! Oh! Yes! Oh, I don't know if I got yours on video though. It was yours, the left one. What? I don't know. Oh no. Do you get mine on?
Yeah.
I thought you were shooting the middle one.
Why would I shoot the middle one?
Oh, I like one like this.
Dumbass. Seriously?
I like this. Oh, I don't know if I got his on video. Oh, I thought you were shooting the middle one, dude. Like, no.
Jay.
You idiot. Dude, I couldn't do
It was
anything about it.
perfect.
I know, but I couldn't do anything about it. I literally couldn't. Let's go check. Okay, but we want to talk to the guy first. Dude, that was so flippin' random. Dude, I looked up and he was like, we were so loud. That homie was just sitting there. Is he really? He's just staying. He's like, come on, guys. Should we hear him? Now they gobble. Yeah, I was perfect on that one. That's the one I thought you were shooting.
Why?
But you didn't tell me which one you were gonna
You didn't
shoot.
ask.
Well, I didn't ask which one. We didn't get mine on footage very well. Well, the thing, okay, so we gotta explain what happened first. We're sitting here, we didn't have anything going.
We were
sitting here
talking
joking.
so loud.
We were like yelling, actually. We were moving around. we're tired, so we're like making jokes about turkeys being people and stuff. So, besides the point, we're sitting there. All of a sudden, I look up. I'm like,
There's turkeys right in front of us.
They were at 40 yards.
40 yards. Just literally flipped on the camera. And
3 jakes.
I thought he was aiming at the middle one, and I just tilted. Luckily, I just got his tail in, but I wouldn't have got him at all if I was worried about the main one. But I didn't know he was going to shoot the left one. And then Anthony has the camera. It was a mess, but he has the camera. I pull up, and I just go. It didn't even really slow him down, but just enough to get him. Shot, dropped him. Both of us dropped him. Which one is mine?
That one.
Oh, yours made it all the way over there?
You can see the arrow sticking out of them.
Oh, well, so mine is right there. I'm shaking so bad. Sorry about that. Anthony's is right there. Anthony got the big one, I think, but that other Jake is right over there somewhere, I think. I don't know. We're going to go out and look at them. Both of our first turkeys ever double up. And literally, no doubt the worst time. Like, we didn't even get time. We didn't get any GoPro footage, nothing. But hey, we got him on video. I want to see it. Oh, thank you, God. What do you have to say? That was crazy.
That was nuts. That was super stressful.
Anthony's just sitting there like. So let's look at yours first. You shot first. Oh, that's sweet looking.
Yours one.
I don't even know where I hit him.
Oh, you blasted my head off.
Huge. Dang. Well, actually, that's longer beard than I thought. That's a Jake, but that's longer than I thought. That's so cool.
Did you hit him right in the head?
Did I?
Oh, right in the neck.
Well, I aimed right here. Oh, I smoked him in the face. Dang. Definitely tell he's a Jake because the the middle ones are
Not
higher.
bad, though.
No, I think yours is a better one though. Like looking bird wise. Well, you smoked him. You just put the hammer on him and dropped him. Oh, you freaking smoked him. He died fast.
You made a bad video. Let me get my hair out of him. I gotta go all the way through him.
Oh, dang. That's what a rage does to a turkey. Oh, yours is big.
You got a little bit bigger beard, it looks like.
Not by much. You got a bigger body though. Dang, he's way bigger than I thought.
Oh, Tom must be freaking huge.
Dude, that's sweet.
Let's line him up.
Okay. You gonna let me hang?
Yeah. God,
I always thought it was like
a
all
Tom
body.
must be freaking huge.
Dude, their body's massive.
All right, guys. Well, we got her done. It was chaos. We
I'm sorry that I didn't get his on like full video. Dang it.
yeah, we didn't clarify which turkey I was shooting.
I thought he was going for the middle one, and he was actually shooting the way left, which
But-
I thought he wanted to shoot straight on, not sideways. But
I was straight on.
no, he was sideways. You shot him from
Oh,
the side.
yeah,
Yeah,
broadside.
I thought you were gonna shoot him in the chest.
Oh, no, bigger target. Not after what happened last time.
Oh,
I said I wasn't gonna shoot one straight on after that last
yeah.
one. All right. Well, we got her done. It's
It was chaos.
it was chaos. We got his on video. Mine was,
Well,
but-
well, I guess what we can say, like, to explain what actually happened, we were sitting here, they came
You
running
did
in,
explain.
like, we didn't really explain,
Yeah.
like, how we, like, went through it. I just kind of, like, moved my gun by, like, kind of straight up, just, like, grab and then bring up, and he shot his, dropped it, and, like, the
didn't
camera,
drop. It ran over here.
well, it dropped and flopped.
Oh,
didn't
yeah.
it? And then flopped over, but he grabbed the camera, and I just pulled up the gun, and I said, like, I clucked and shot this one. I don't even know, how far do you think I shot? How far do you think you shot?
Mine was 15 maybe, 10.
30 for me, you think?
Yeah, probably something like that.
So
But
15 and 30 yard shot. What? First ever turkeys
first,
for either of
first
us,
turkeys, and we doubled up.
which is sweet.
And after the crap we've been trying to go and get these stupid things,
Finally got it, and there's
They're Jakes,
16
but
days left of the season, I think.
they're huge. I've never realized how big a turkey actually is until you get up to them. But yeah, I don't really know what to say.
I don't, because like it's been like 2 minutes since we shot, and literally we saw a hen before that. So.
That other one.
They're so
Don't
pretty.
make a noise all morning. Those 3 of them come in. We shoot 2 of them. The other one goes out to 80 yards. We're yelling, screaming, excited, and it's just standing there. If you move when you're in the blind, and they're just like, I'm gone. And then we can make a noise, and it gobbles back. They haven't gobbled all morning. We haven't heard. We heard some clucking.
We think we heard these clucking off into the
That was
next
like
property
an hour
about-
ago.
Yeah, like an hour ago. We're thinking possibly the same things. Probably.
That's nuts.
Yeah, I'm speechless actually, because this is to double up, and either of us have never got a turkey. And this was actually our original plan when turkey season came in. We literally wanted to double up, him shoot the turkey with the bow first, and then I shoot it with the gun. And it actually did. It's just
It worked perfectly.
Yeah.
It's
It's just the camera didn't work as much, or cameraman didn't work as much.
That's whatever. We didn't get a second angle, nothing. We were literally.
He's like, I want to turn on
we
the
were
GoPro.
joking, like we were talking loud.
Like not even like we were talking. We weren't whispering.
We were talking. We were
Yeah.
yelling basically. We were talking about all sorts of crazy stuff. But we're sitting there, and all of a sudden, I look at Isaiah, and he's going, "Oh, crap!" And there's 3 of them,
40 yards away.
maybe 45 yards from the blind, walking straight at us, and
And we didn't know what to do.
we were just like
flip on the camera.
flipped
click
on the
record.
camera, grabbing crap. It was nuts.
He absolutely smoked his. Right
Yeah.
through, right where you want to hit him.
Yeah.
Rage opened him up. Killed him quick. Did you cut that, or is that a cut?
I'm sure I got the wing. Yeah, I took the wing
Okay,
off.
I was wondering if that might have been the same one. you did.
Took a couple
Well, here,
feathers.
Let's look at the wings, maybe.
I don't know.
No.
See, you hit your wing too.
Yeah, it went through the body.
So you got body. You have to pick some babies out.
This is sweet.
So, well, now we
Thank you
gotta
so
go-
much for watching.
Now we gotta figure out how to clean these things.
Never cleaned a turkey. Like we said, we've never actually like touched a wild turkey in person, so this is interesting.
Now the fun begins.
Yeah.
We're
Oh,
done.
look.
It is 7:20.
Yes.
We've been out here for an hour. But
Wow.
I don't even know what to say anymore.
Yeah.
We got one finally.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click post notifications so you guys get more details into our next videos. We got a couple more videos planned, so really, thank you. It really means a lot. And until next time. Outro.
Alright.
Ah, you hit me in the face! Just out of frame.
Why are you doing that to me? I feel like it's so accomplished. Especially the fact that we got 2 birds. No doubt. We're the greatest. Just like this. Oh, their neck feels weird.
So cool. Ew. Yeah.
Yuck!
Ew.
It's literally the skin that it is. It's just a big old nutsack.
Imagine having that on your face. I'm dying.
Where am I? I don't even have a knife. Is there strippers in there? We can cut it.
I wish there was a stripper. We should probably cut that out unless you do not.
What?
The strippers part.
Why?
Unless you'd probably take.
No, she wouldn't.
She wouldn't.
Apparently, you can't use a poisoned or explosive tip if you use a bow.
Dang it. Being all fancy like with this electrical work.
You want white, black, or ground?
I'm a white man. No, I can't say that. I can't say that.
Cut!
Is it April, June, and November?
What?
No, April.
What are you talking about?
I can't remember the freaking rhyme.
Oh, that's gonna come right off.
Got him. Got him, Clint. Shoot him.
What?
We're the bestest ever.
I know.
Ain't nobody can tell me what your backpack. Don't forget the cameras up there.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna.
Hey, that's the first blood drop. Can I have Grandpa in the video?
What?
Get Grandpa in the video?
Yep. Amish.
That's how you know where we're at. We're in central Minnesota.
Amish.
Our neighbors are Amish everywhere. You should be able to locate us just knowing that.
Just a big colony of Amish.
It is. It's like the only area in the state. There you go. If you want to know where we live, find the Amish, you'll find us.
Oh, dove dead. Never mind. Oh, there's Amish here, Amish here, Amish there.
Amish there. Amish, 2 of them down there. 2 of them, 3 of them down there. They're everywhere.
Literally, that's colonies.
That's already starting to come up, ain't it? Or no? No, not yet. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at the head on that thing.
We blew it.
Oh, they're
man.
both toms.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he just gobbled. Cluck. He's like, oh crap.
They're not one of us! Run! Steve!
That's literally like we were gonna hunt right there, but who cares? We got turkeys. Now if those were there and we didn't get one, then it'd be a different story.
We got 2.
You did! Good for you!
It was chaos.
Are they right here, are they?
Yeah, they're right out in the truck.
Oh, okay. Anthony? Yep. The other morning, I counted 5, they're right here. Just see where our yard ends.
Yep.
It starts,
Yep.
is right in there. There are 5 strutting toms, 2 or 3 other toms around, and probably about 14 hens.
Yeah.
That whole thing was full of them, huh?
There's 2 toms
out there just
Yeah, I don't doubt it.
just now out in the field.
There, Kiki.
Mine went a ways, and then he dropped it right where it was. But just little Jakes. But
Oh my gosh.
alrighty, well we're gonna go try and clean these things.
Well, you bet. You want to dry pluck them?
I don't know
how. We gotta look
yet. We're gonna look it up.
Yeah. A lot of people just skin them, but myself, I would save the skin.
Yeah.
I'd like to save it.
Yeah.
It's to keep some moisture in there and it tastes good.
Oh yeah, I
I
see.
think there are a lot of them dry pluck them.
I don't think they're very yellow, you know. For the most part, I don't think turkeys are very yellow.
Yep.
That
Just-
little fat stuff.
So you'll
find out.
dry pluck it and then singe it really good with a blowtorch.
Yeah. I don't know. We're gonna look up some
Yeah,
videos.
interesting. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Yeah, the great Wagner hunters.